Hello, Life Disney. What's going on?
Good morning.
Hello.
We're at the happiest place on earth.
Yes, we are. HPOE. In effect, it's hot.
Oh, I just got that. I was like,
it's summer, you know.
It is.
HPOE, POTC.
Cooled down a bit though from the last heat wave we had.
It did, but
we're still gonna have fun, right?
yeah, we are. We're going on Splash.
We already booked a fast pass.
All right, but let's get something to eat in the meantime
we're starved.
Starvy.
We are famished.
Main Street.
It's beautiful.
Look at you.
You beautiful woman.
Well, you know,
is Main Street a woman?
I think so because, you know, ships and cars are women, right?
So Main Street's a woman too. Then.
Well, yeah.
Yeah, well, she is lovely.
She's a fine Main Street.
You a fine looking woman.
Looking good, Maney.
Alright, so we are headed to...
Miss Maine. We'll call her Miss Maine.
Miss Maine. So we are headed to go get some breakfast.
Yeah, I'm hungry.
We're starving. And
Starvation.
I almost just fell in a track right now.
Oh.
Wow, that's great.
Stay on track, Katie.
We're wearing sandals today because we're prepared.
Yeah, look at you, Sandolio.
Sandalina.
I got my locals on.
Hashtag no socks today.
Yeah, sockless.
We gotta do this because...
I'm sockless Joe Jackson.
Sockless Joe Jackson. Oh my goodness. Look at how empty it is. Love the
Yeah. Hello, Hub.
Hello, Hub. It's all hello, Spence.
It does. It says that in my mind.
Yeah. Well, hey, welcome to
But
Disneyland.
then it's different when I say hello to Jolly Holiday. I say hello, Jolly Holiday. And he says hello.
Hello. Top of the morning to you then.
Yeah.
Oh, no,
Well,
right?
that's
yeah. I crossed over.
You often cross over.
Top of the morning. That's all I can say.
It's still
right?
United Kingdom in a sense.
Yeah.
But
Well,
it's
mate is Australian, right?
no. You said top of the morning was.
Oh.
That's Irish.
Oh.
Which is.
Wow, I really messed up then. Dang.
Yeah.
That's not good.
Yeah.
All right. So when you come a little bit after rope drop, you don't have to deal with this crazy
The crush.
horde. Yeah.
Look at the tiki construction. It's kind of weird, huh?
Well, I know, it is odd seeing it.
They're doing a bunch to the front.
And look, it's the shortest you'll ever see the door with line.
Well, yeah.
Because it's not open.
Dole not.
Oh, God. All right.
Yeah, it's nice when it's like this in here.
So we're going to try to eat at the River Belle Terrace.
Yeah.
Because it's delicious. After we ate there the one time, we're like, you know what? This is, I feel like it's going down as one of the best places to eat breakfast. It's back.
Hey, Katie, coming soon. It's the Tropical Hideaway. Yeah. Be here all week. Try the veal. Maybe a churro. Or would you like a skewer from Bengal Barbecue? You choose. We'll be here. We'll see you in 15 minutes.
I knew you'd do that. Dang it. Oh, we should go on the Jungle Cruise. Wow, I never noticed all the baskets and stuff there.
Look at how Bengal has, the sign has this perfect lighting on it right now.
Yeah.
Like it's being hit with a key light.
Perfect. And Bengal Barbecue is damn near perfect too. I love Bengal Barbecue. Oh, I can smell it right now. Oh my goodness.
Well, we're gonna try to hit this colorful spot.
Down that way, turn left.
Always awesome to walk out and see the river for the first time in the morning.
Look, they have a pirate flag, Spence.
Oh wow! Look at that.
Whoa.
Yar, he's waving you in. He wants you to come ride the Pirates of the Caribbean, yeah? I like the flag.
Oh,
Yes.
Ready to set sail?
After breakfast, yes, absolutely. We need to be
Don't want to lose the breakfast.
yeah, we just need to be prepared for the journey, so yeah.
Okay, well it may be a long journey.
All right.
Uh-oh.
It's okay.
All right.
Sailor Jerry will take some pancakes.
Sailor Jerry, I enjoy your rum product. It's fabulous.
Do you like Mickey pancakes though?
I do love those Mickey pancakes.
Good.
The best.
That's what we're getting.
We're going to get those right now. All right, see you later, Jolly Roger.
Enjoy.
See you in a bit, guys. All right, River Belle Terrace. right, lifers, we're full enough to attempt Splash Mountain because we needed fuel to get up those hills, you know, and the excitement.
And brace yourself going down like this.
Well, yeah.
Oh, down we go.
I just don't want to get super wet. That's the only.
I mean, I don't mind because it's not cold out. Like
that's true.
All right.
What are these?
Be okay.
What are these walls over here?
Weird.
I know. What's
I think there's normally a popcorn cart over there.
Yeah, but it's interesting they put up walls for a popcorn cart, unless they're making a permanent one or something.
Like glued to the ground.
Yeah, glued. Yeah, that's what they do here.
Just super glue.
Yeah, yeah.
The park still is not crazy crowded.
Look at her. 49 looking fine.
49 looking fine, Haunted Mansion.
Oh, there it is.
Oh boy. We have not been on Splash in so long.
Welcome to Critter Country, Katie, with the biggest little water drop this side of the rivers of America.
Look at the rivers of America. How nice is that?
They are beautiful. Always in the morning, glassy, calm before the storm, calm before the crowds, before the canoes start making big wakes. And
look at, do you see any trash on the ground right now?
no.
Not a spot. You know why? Well, our cast member, look
sorry.
at, he is waiting on guard.
Yep.
Look at that.
Yep. He's ready.
For real.
He's ready.
Let's give him a high five. We want him to know. We're just appreciating how clean it is over here. And I was going to say, you guys are literally the best. I'll give you a high five, but I didn't want you to drop your throat.
Ah.
What did I tell you guys? Thank you.
Look at that.
Sweeper.
All right.
Oh my goodness.
See what I tell people? It's so clean. Because when Walt was building the park, he wanted a clean park for the guests.
Yeah.
So what he did is he put sensors in the ground.
What?
So anytime something hits the ground, it sends a message to our office, and they radio us, and we come out and do it.
No way.
You're right, no way.
I was all, this is pretty crazy. But you never know because Disneyland is magical, so
It is.
come on. But thank you for making it so clean. We're just appreciating it.
Thank you for recognizing. It's always nice to hear.
Thank you, Jim.
Thanks, Jim. Have a nice one. Yeah.
Look at that.
Sweet.
Sweep.
Sweep.
That is sweet.
You know, Splash Mountain has its own water smell too.
It does.
Yeah.
It does. It's not like Pirates.
And it's funny because, but it also, just like when you cross under this train bridge, is kind of when you start to smell it.
Yeah. You get
Much like when you walk in the door of Pirates, you first smell that water. Or when you walk by the exit, you can smell it
Right.
and catch it.
Sure do.
All right, here we go.
Hey.
Oh.
With the Nemo stuff.
There they are, the Brers.
Hey, you have to touch the acorn, otherwise we won't have good luck.
I'll touch it over here where.
Acorn.
All right. What's up, Will? What's up? Yeah, dude. Will's one of our favorite cast members. You work on the Twain too, don't you?
I do.
Yeah, you got a couple jobs and the Columbia, so you can see Will over there or here at Splash Mountain. Thanks, Will. Thank you, buddy.
You're welcome.
Look, you can peek through the hole there. Hello.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
So ready. Oh my god, that's cold on my feet. This sounds like Goofy.
You're safe. Just stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs.
Katie. A lot of work going on here at Splash Mountain today. Oh, there's the drop. Oh boy. Oh, he's snoring. Here we go. There's the wave. We avoided the wave.
We survived it. My legs are so dry. I should have jinxed it.
That's how I want to fish. It's a bear dip. No frowns allowed. Be careful. This way to the Laughin Place. Grins only.
It got me.
Oh, this is the dark drop. Uh-oh. Whoa!
He's sharing.
Yeah!
We survived. Not a drop on me.
I got a few. Look, there's where we always hang out and look at people.
Oh, it's up there.
Up there too. I love this part of the ride. On our way to Doodah Landing via Catfish Bend. What's up, guys?
Dude, we just survived.
50-foot plunge.
50.
Yeah, we did.
I
Good.
mean,
I'm here.
all we got is a little bit of speckles. I mean, I got my leg.
Just a little schwitz, as they say.
A little schwitz.
Yeah, no, it was great.